There is someone out there who just needs you to tell them it will be fine. There is someone out there who just needs a little encouragement from you. Please find it in your heart to be kind to people. People are passing through a lot emotionally, mentally, psychologically, physically, spiritually, and they're just covering up with clothes. People dress nicely and step out of their houses, but in the real sense, they are passing through a lot. Be that one person who understands, whose instincts will tell them that this person needs me to put a smile on his or her face. Let's make the world a better place by being kind.